or not shall I end.
Hi Sony, congratulations.
टाइम हॉस्टल दिखाई
Body and mind constitutes of many things, but basically these three things control everything. From some part of, from the super specialty point of view, I will say, as you will be coming in the super specialty endocrinology, the glands, they control 90% of your diseases.
Commitment to excellence and holistic medical education is evident. Please join me in inviting our esteemed Professor, Dr. Jani Sagar Prushti Sir, HOD, Department of Anatomy and the Chairman of Hospital Council, MKCG Medical College and Hospital, Barampur, to the podium for addressing the August gathering. Sir, please.
Respected Dean and Principal Madam, Vice Principal Academic, Vice Principal Development, Register, Sir, MU Coordinator, Nodal Officer NMC, the Students Union President, General Secretary and Vice President,
Principal Academics and Development, SARS, and HODs, Anatomy, and Professor Manus, Pathology, our Register Sir, and members of the Student Union, and also respected parents and my dear students, and respected other HODs and faculty sitting in the front. So again, I will welcome you all to this medical fraternity, our MKCG Medical College, and also to the Department of Biochemistry. So we have a small department rich with all faculties and with peace, harmony and coordination. So you are the second batch under this Odisha University of Health Science. Your first batch has already passed out. So that batch two students got under best 10th. So we are very proud of your senior phase 2 students also. They make our MKCG proud by taking this opportunity to us. And also one student among the 1500 students got highest mark in biochemistry from our MKCG Medical College. That is also a very proud moment for us. So now you can judge, this is our academic ambience of MKCG. So now you have joined in our new fraternity. That is your role now to make our MKCG still to the height. So we expect this also from your batch. So as a medical education unit coordinator, so already we have started your academic session from 24th of October. So we are the first college, we have started the academic session along with the foundation course. So all the teachers you have come across during the foundation course, many teachers are sitting also in the front. They have made you aware that what is the medical education is from different fields, starting from the preventive to curative, and also we have conducted many competitions. Students have participated and done their excellency. And also our register sir, you might have recognized, he has taught you the time management. Dr. Swati is sitting in front, she has taught you the stress management. So many students in the feedback, they have given this good feedback for these sessions. So thank you students for your feedback. All sessions was very nice and all staffs, they have coordinated well to conclude our foundation course. So I will tell the parents, respected parents, so your job is now increased. And also I congratulate you along with the students that you have produced a doctor for the society who will serve the humanity. We know the doctors are called Vaidya Narayana. So you are the one of the incarnation of the God. So this is our stage in the society. Society knows us as Vaidya Narayana. So we have to also give that much expectation what society wants to them. So from now onwards, you have to be dedicated to show you in the society as Vaidya Narayana. Always I say, So if you are right and your everything is right. If something happened wrong to you, always go inside and see what wrong you have done. So if you have got less mark in the class or you have failed or whatever, you go inside and see, have you done anything wrong? Then only you can correct yourself. Don't see others. Always see yourself and make yourself correct. Another three things always I say to the youngsters, that you have aspiration, rejection and surrender. So these three things, always aspire high. Unless you will aspire high, you cannot go high. So with this high aspiration, you have to do your job. So sitting or sleeping in the bed, if you will aspire.
24 onto the podium with a huge round of applause. Right, please.
सुप्रभात मंच से सुचित्रा दास मैम, दुर्गा माधव सरस्वती सर, चामीसागर पृष्टि सर, नरेंद्र बेहरे सर, संग्राम सर, निरुपमा मैम, मनोज सर एवं सामने मोर गुरुजी गुरुवृंद समस्त को मोर नमस्कार एवं मोर छोट भाई भौणी मान को समस्त को अभिनंदन एवं स्नेह। आज बहुत कष्ट करी आमर एमकेसीजी परिवार आसी आमको जग देच से समस्त को पुणी थे स्वागत जन आज सभा को आम गर्वमंडित करने चाहूँ। बेसी किसी कहबेनि से कहवाक चाहूँगी, आम बापा माँ मैंने बहुत कष्ट करी आमको ये जगह को पठे आम ताको ना को केमती आग को लेकिन जीवा से कथा भाविबा। जेमिति संग्राम सर गोटे जिन कहले ब्रह्मपुर बहुत पर्यटन स्थल भरपूर, किंतु समस्त गोटे रिक्वेस्ट राति 7टा पर प्लीज प्लीज कहीं बाहर को जावाक चेष्टा करिए नहीं। बहुत इनसीडेंस होइछि। गोटे इनसीडेंस मो कहवाक चाहूँगी, 2 मास तले 2टा पिला बाइक लेके गोपालपुर बाहरले, बाटरे एक्सीडेंट होला, आम जानिलु राति 10टा पर। से मैंने क्या जन ना कि करना आम राति 10टारे आणिक हॉस्पिटल एडमिट कलु। से बाइक को देखिले कहीं भावे कि से बंची थे कहीं, तो से जिन करतु ना। एवं जुआड़े भी जाऊँगी एटलिस्ट निज पेरेंट्स किंबा रूममेट्स को जनईकि जातु। आमरी आम OUHS सेकेंड बैच एबे अटेंडेंस बहुत काउंट होउछि, तो 80% अटेंडेंस मिनिमम रखंतु। धन्यवाद।
Full of obstacles, which is full of parents, which is full of a hell lot of things you have never imagined of facing in your life. So what you have achieved, what you are presently at the stage in which you are sitting right now is all because of the hard work and dedication of your parents. So have the respect for them always. And you need to do a lot of things ahead. So just wishing you all good luck because you entered into medical field. So be a proud medico for that. And now, please clap for yourself as well because you have achieved something great, I guess. To be very honest, I haven't prepared anything at all to say because I'm a student. All the wisdom, all the knowledge, whatever you are getting now, are getting from respected teachers. I can just share some few experiences of us. Being a student union leader, I will like to enlighten some of the things. You have entered into a college which is the biggest college in terms of areas. It's not a fundamental thing to address, but letting you know. And also, you have heard your seniors, bhais and didis. They have got a reputation. They have got reputation for this college by scoring mammoth scores you have never imagined of. MKCG stood second in OUHS results in first year. So for your seniors, I would like to congratulate all the second year students, your senior guys in this. And some perceptions I would like to clear about. You are students right now. You have entered into this college. It's an obvious thing that you will be thinking what kind of campus it is, what are the things that you are gonna do. It's like a bit of exhilaration will be standing within yourself. So I would like to suggest one thing. Keep your expectations and excitement within a limit. Since you are new to this campus, as Sagar sir told and my friend Krishna said that a lot of places are here to wander about. But keep your wanderlust in the limit, because Berhampur is totally not safe post sunset. It's an evident thing I'm saying, since a lot of accidents and bad incidents have happened already. So this is a dear advice to my younger brothers and sisters. And always, whenever you get out, just ensure that you must be informing at least one of your friends, and must inform your parents about what you are doing or what you're not, because nobody's there to take care of yours.
It's already 12 p.m. so I'll say a very good afternoon to all the dignitaries present on the dais and off the dais, my precious budding physicians and our self-sacrificing parents. What an auspicious day it is to see such bright faces covered in pristine white, all gleaming with excitement and thrill. On 2nd March 2021, I was one of you sitting there, with a ton lot of expectations and nervousness of entering. Have always taught us to be kind and humble with everyone in this profession. It takes very less to be humble, but it will make you a very respected being. I've seen all our teachers to work for hours and hours continuously, but handle every patient with utmost care and patience, which makes them very powerful, and it inspires me a lot.
Raj Madam to bestow the sacred oath to our new students. Ma'am, please.
Keep your right hand like this. Right up like this.
So before entering into this noble profession, you have to take these oaths and you have to remember it throughout your life. During the period of study, I shall live a disciplined life with my teachers and peers. You repeat it. My actions shall be guarded, service-oriented, and free from indiscipline and envy. In my dealings, I shall be patient, obedient, humble, constantly contemplative, and calm. I shall aim my full efforts and ability towards the desired goal of my profession. As a physician, I shall always use my knowledge for welfare of mankind. I shall always be ready to serve patients, even if I am extremely busy and tired. I shall not harm any patient for the sake of monetary or selfish gains, or nor shall I entertain a desire for lust, greed, or wealth. Immorality shall not emerge even in my thoughts. My dressing shall be decent, yet impressive and inspiring confidence. My conduct shall always be appropriate, pleasant, truthful, beneficial, and polite. I shall use my experience in actions appropriate for that time and place. I shall constantly endeavor to accomplish, keep updated with the latest development in the field, and widen my knowledge. I shall treat patient of gender other than mine in presence of relative or attendants. When examining a patient, my discretion, attention, and senses shall be concentrated on the cure of the disease. I shall not divulge the confidentiality related to the patient or family inappropriately. Although an authority, I shall not display my knowledge and skill with arrogance. Thank you.
Storytelling competition.
Third prize, Miss Sneha Nahak and Miss Nikita Dash.
Storytelling पढ़ला सुननी सिलते पढ़ला सुननी
Suda.
मस्त
Sonia prize is gonna first.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा तव शुभ नामे जागे.
ग्रुप फोटो खबर देखे तो ଖାଇଲଣି ଖାଇଲଣି ତମେ ଦିନ ଆଉ ଏଇନା ଯିବା ହଷ୍ଟେଲ तो हॉस्टेल पे मिलगला आम ए जीव हॉस्टेल ये अर्पितार भाई अर्पिता भी लेगा ना हेलो अर्पितार मोर सेम रूम अर्पितार सोनीर जैकेट
तो आम गर्ल्स हॉस्टेल पाखु केबे जाउछु
तो सोनीर ये हॉस्टेल को आम रूम देखा जाऊँ सोनीर रूम देखिए हाँ हाँ और ये रस्सी बांध सोनीर वाशरूम
भल अच्छे बड़ रूम अच्छे बड़ रूम
हाँ बढ़िया सोनी कंग्रेचुलेसन ଚାନ୍ସ ସରିଗଲା ଭଲ ପଡ଼ିଗଲା ଭାଇ ହଁ ହଁ ଚାରିଟା
ବେଶୀ ମସଲା
ହଉ ଏଇଟା ବି ଗୋଟେ ଆଣିଲା ସବୁ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ଆଣି ଦେଉଛ ଘାଣ୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ କୋବି ଗୋଟେ ପନିର ଗୋଟେ ଛତୁ ଗୋଟେ
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ପନିର ଆଣନ୍ତି
ଘାଣ୍ଟ ଦୁଇଟା ଦେଇଦେବେ
ପନିର
ଶୁଣ ଭାତ ଦୁଇଟା ଆଉ
ଛତୁ ଛତୁ ଆଉ କୋବି
ଚିଲି
ଆମେ ଖାଇବାକୁ
ସୋନି ଆଜି ରାତିରେ ରହିବୁ ହଷ୍ଟେଲରେ ପାଠ ପଢ଼ି ଡକ୍ଟର ହବୁ ଇଏ କାନ୍ଦୁଥିବ ତାକୁ ଫୋନ୍ କରିବି ଇଞ୍ଜେକ୍ସନ ଦେଇଛି ଆମେ ସେଇ ହୋଟେଲକୁ ହିଁ ଆସିଛୁ ଆଉ ଥରେ
କୁସୁମ ନାହିଁ ସାର୍ ରୁଟି ଅଛି ପରଟା ଅଛି
ଆମର ଆସିଲା ଭେଜ୍ ବିରିୟାନୀ ଆଉ ମମିର ସାଧା
ଆଜି ଉପରେ ଖାଅ
କୋବି
ବାହାର କରିଦେବୁ
କୋବି ଛତୁ ତ ସୋନିର ଚିଣ୍ଟୁର ଆଣିଛନ୍ତି ବିରିୟାନୀ ଆମର ହେଲା ଛତୁ ତ ଆମେ ଏଇନା ଯାଉଛୁ ଅଟୋରେ ଜିନିଷ ନେଇକି ହୋଟେଲରେ ଖାଇ ପିଇକି ଏବେ ଯାଉଛୁ ହଷ୍ଟେଲରେ ଛାଡ଼ିବାକୁ
ତମର ଭଲ ରୁମ୍ ମିଳିଛି ନା ନୂଆଟା ନା
ଏଇଟା ଫାଷ୍ଟ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଭଲ ଅଛି ଥାର୍ଡ଼ ଫ୍ଲୋରଟା କମ୍ପାରେଟିଭଲି ଟିକେ ଖରାପ ଅଛି
ତମକୁ କୋଉଠି ମିଳିଛି ଫାଷ୍ଟ
ଥାର୍ଡ଼ ଆଉ ଯେ ଫିଫ୍ଥ ଫ୍ଲୋର ଅଛି ସିଏ ପୁରା ଗରମ ସିଝିବ
ସେଠି କ'ଣ ଖାଲି ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଇୟର ପିଲା ଲିଫ୍ଟ ଅଛି ଲିଫ୍ଟ
ଏବେ ହୋଟେଲରୁ ଖାଇ ପିଇକି ଆସିଲୁ ଏଠି ହଷ୍ଟେଲରେ ସଜଡ଼ା ଚାଲିଛି ଦେଲୁ ସୋନି ଦେଖେଇବୁ ଏଠି ଭାଇକୁ ଲଗାଉଛନ୍ତି ହ୍ୟାଙ୍ଗ ଆମକୁ ଏଇଠି ବନ୍ଦ କରିକି ଯିବ ବୋଲି ଭାଇ ସେଠି ହ୍ୟାଙ୍ଗର ଲାଗୁ हाँ रागिंग कलर कर चली हाँ तापर मते कोस बोल दीदी तुम्हारा फेवरेट ही गोलू मोलू क्यों छोटा चुट्टी वाली तू चुट्टी काटे के कहलो देख ले गोलू बोलू गोटे साइड ଖଟର ଗଦି ଆସିଗଲା ବାବା କୋଉଠି ଅଛି ସୁଇଚ୍ ଅଛି ଅନ୍ କରୁଛୁ ଚାବି ଲାଗି ପକେଇ ଦେ ମମି ତୋ କାମ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହେଇଗଲା ତୁ କରିଦେ ମମି ଏଇନା ନ୍ୟୁଜ୍ ପେପର ପକଉଛି ଥାକରେ ଆଣ୍ଟି ତମର ପକେଇବ ନ୍ୟୁଜ୍ ପେପର ଥାକରେ ହଁ ମୁଁ ଆଣିଥିଲି ପୁଳେ ମମି ମୋ ଡ୍ରେସ୍ ପତ୍ର ସବୁ ସଜେଇକି ଯିବ
ସେଇ ସାଇଜରେ ଦିଟା ଗ୍ୟାପ୍ ରହିଲା କିନ୍ତୁ ସେଇଟା ଠିକ୍ ହେଇଗଲା ତମେ ଛୋଟ ଖାଇବ
ନାଇଁ ଏପଟେ ଗ୍ୟାପ୍ ଅଛି ନା अर्पितार बेड पड़गला
सोनीर बेड रेडी है अर्पिता बेड रेडी करा मम्मी जिनस रखे व्यस्त
तो फाइनली आम रूम पूरा सजाई देले लाट्रिन
ସେଗୁଡ଼ା କିନ୍ତୁ ସଫା କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି
ଏଠି ପୁଷ ମାରିବ ହେଲା
ଚିଣ୍ଟୁ ଭାଇ ମତେ ଏକ୍ସରସାଇଜ ଶିଖେଇକି ଯାଉଛି କେମିତି ଏକ୍ସରସାଇଜ କରି ତ ଏବେ ସେମାନେ ଖାଇବାକୁ ଗଲେ ଆମେ ଯାଉଛୁ ଘରକୁ ତ ଏଠି ଖାଇବା ପାଇଁ ତାଙ୍କର ଲମ୍ବା ଲାଇନ୍ ହଷ୍ଟେଲରେ ଖାଇବି ଅର୍ପିତ ନା ସବୁ ଖାଇସାରିଲୁ ସକାଳେ ଆସିବ ବାଏ